Hey guys, welcome back to another video of how to social. So in this video I will show you how to send gifs on Instagram comment section. So let's get started real quick. Alright, first of all, go to the Instagram, and here you can see there are many posts going on. You just need to comment on one post. So as you can see, here is the post. I just want to comment on this post with a GIF. So how can I do that? For that, you just need to tap on the comment section, and on the right corner here you are seeing the GIF option. So tap on that, and here you can see all the GIFs. If you want, you can send it from here, or you can search any gifs. You can search any gifs that you want or that you like and send it to the person. So I'm sending this, and that's pretty much it. There is an option for the uh, content creators or the post makers. Like, this is a content creator and this guy also a content creator. So there is an option for content creators that they can turn off the GIF option for the commenters. Like this person doesn't have any GIF option. That is meaning this person is turned off the GIF option for his comment section. So there will be many person who turned off the GIF option for their comment section, and there will another person or another person like this guy who have turned it on the gift option for his comment section. So there are various people. So if you are not seeing any GIF option, that is meaning the person you want to comment on the post, he's turned off the GIF option for his comment section. So I think you have got the right knowledge for how to send GIFs on Instagram comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day.